USP ka iskas hiru ba bibix ulong ba katkum kijing eksamin kajing don ka Kyiad hakamet yang driver ba salat ya arngut kisma puli hanehu haflau kenihu maulai nin ka mit kami hapsu banyak kali USP ulong ba uniu driver udai ba tip keteng kumupa mensang ma wa trai pahara hani krims rai uwan sa habarak hanehu angut Samla kentai kentup Samla Stephanie Shadap nak sinong madan mensau mau kendeng West Giant Hills bat Samla dari dengan Podukai nak sinong Borkat East Giant Hills bidang pulih hak Department Chemistry kanihu ke mensaujul nak jingsya Tynrah ke basyirkai hak wei ke marutikar nin kemit hanihu kakit nembar R nengkong lara yakini Samla sya Civil Hospital Shillong hanrai nama ka jing sitom jula penkit no sya Nasret Hospital ban yo ka jing semara bekambing ki pulit ke akam ya new driver bala pengat ha kendon iwei not kendai ka BNS ke bae ba ke bertemu ban peniap breu bat kinra sya ka syari menta kasngi
apart from the traffic sections under MV Act, we have 183, 84, 85, 183, 184, 85. We have also mischief. We also have attempt to murder 109 under BNS. So this is not a traffic case per se. We are taking this. This is going to be investigated by the police station.
Looking at the footage,
I see. Number one is prima facie. It appears that he has, and it is a fact that he has consumed alcohol. So that is the prima facie reason. But we will see whether there was any other reason, because it is an open space, lighted area, and to drive in such high speed and not to see two pedestrians walking, it merits more investigation.
so who is he actually?
Security guard.
Employed by the Nehu or?
No, he is a security guard of Negrams, but his barrack is of the same security agency which is in Nehu. So he stays in the barrack in Nehu. Chmat listen nada u itu ne kladan kedau kapa khamshuai kan gijin dia.
Ne try.
Ya
like a fill break.
Ya kali ina sis ke ngin ha pa MVI inspection ni kan. Katu ka accident ke dia hamba rapor news teng haka gate number 2 jong ka school ba Nehu di halor kan arngot ki student ki bade jong ka chemistry department hamba kla kila men saujur ban lai lam marma ki sha civil hospital nakta pada kila refer sha ka hospital Nazareth ban ki arngot ki dana ka ICU na ki danglong haka unconscious state entah di kebeidai bau beri bau Tynrah ya ka yakit ki arngot pada ula syakem ban menin hila ula syares ban ila register case lor kani ya ka kali ho perkam ru ila yo kuruk asis de yo ngin bersama produce u mentaksi ha ka code ban de singin pan please custody ru uni udai uba trai security jong kanigrams katba u sa pada hak barak ke badan ha ni ho
Keteng
kuteng u permen em sangma
kumno sa ong ben
permen em sangma
parmen em sama.
hadian bengila le ka medical examination jong ni bala syakem ila bagadan ka ula di bagadan ka level of intoxication ke Iahap Shuh ban Niah kali.
Ba.
Em ki ba mensak tiga dan ka gate jong kani hu bala jular dan ki ta gate hi bala jular waktu ka kali hi ke jong ndai ba mensak jor hi ti hani harman. Akum ka tu komnya ti ngilabu hi ka section ka ba hi ka ba juat hi ka ban ngilabu hi ka section 109 ka ba dei jong BNS ka ba dei ka attempt to murder kemud ka tu pun piam ba long kadi ka surat bayar ke ba laban I syai bat kadi ka surat ke bank te banchu Kyiad bet kan hartat kadi ka cekak bolong ke ba kabala phalang ka light ke badan tu kam di ka cekak bedum tu ti ngilabu hi ki ka section ki ka ba ya ka attempt to murder